Lake Trail today.
Woo! Ethan's super excited. We're at the yellow gate. Okay, there's the parking lot.
Landfill.
Right by the landfill. Lots of parking here. Like 15, 20 cars. So we'll see if we run into anybody. And there they go. See you guys when you're back. I like hiking when I get my Starbucks. Woohoo! All right, Hoover Lake. Don't go this way because you can see private property. If you can read this, you're within range because they don't like trespassers. Okay, Ethan is a new Caterpillar operator. He's the operator, D6C. What are you gonna do today? Grade the roads?
Yeah.
That all? Just grade the roads?
Look up.
I think the road looks pretty good. Maybe make a new road? What do you think?
Yeah. We're off the road and going off the trail. Yay!
There's a sign.
No more tired myth.
You can see it. Hoover Lake Trail.
Historic science logging lands. Really rocky. Okay, kiddo.
And off we go. See ya later.
Bye. Have a good hike.
Cool.
At the Cedar Bank Road.
And it follows, you can see it through going through the forest. And it's right there, right below us. And across and back up through the forest.
Probably hundreds.
Gets distracted by the skunk cabbage.
Last one,
No.
It's a
Second last.
big rock he's got.
One more after this.
Oh, there we go.
We did it.
All right, we made it. We missed both the lookouts, but we did go around the lake, so that was pretty cool.
Wrong turn.
Yeah, a couple wrong turns, so didn't realize it was on a logging road up to the lookouts. Good thing to know for the next time. And now we're back to the mission dump.
What a way to end the day.
I know. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe to Ethan's excellent adventures. Sayonara.